you for visiting Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari Biswas, and today I am going to teach you NTR and Ram Charan signature step of Nacho Nacho song from RRR. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest videos. Let's start. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And next step. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Now let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you have enjoyed this NTR and Ram Charan signature step of Nacho Nacho song from RRR. Then please hit the like button and comment me on